I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can get a free domain on Wix. Now, when you make any domain on Wix, for example here, let's create a new site. I'm going to use a Wix editor here. If I make any new website with Wix, I can get a free domain on Wix, but it'll be under their name, right? So for example, I'm going to make an online store here. I'm going to click on continue. And let's just let it do its thing, let it prepare the dashboard and all of it such. Now, there's this method here, right? So for example here, my site is down here. Now you can see if I enter in my store name, for example, my store name will be the shoe store, right? So the shoe store, I'm going to click on continue. Now let's continue on. I'm just going to skip this real quick. Now, again, skip products. Again, I'm going to skip, and that's it. I'm all good. Now, here's the thing, right? Now we have a website made here on Wix, right? Now let's check out our site. So if I go to design site here right now, I'm gonna pick a template real quick, and I'm gonna pick a pre-made one here. The free one, I'm gonna pick this one, an accessory store. Now it'll open up our Wix site here, right? Now you can see it'll open up. Now you can see this is our the potential of our Wix domain here, right? Let's just give it a second to load here. Now, once our site is loaded, you just want to go to site and click on save here. Now you can see we can choose a free domain right here, right? You can get a free Wix domain here. Now we can edit the end of it to be anything we want. For example, since our name was the shoe store, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna give it a name, the shoe store, just like that. And if it's already taken by someone else, right? Just give it something else. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, something like this. And hopefully, yep, it's free. Just click on save and continue. And there we go. We have our free Wix site just like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.